Sairam Law Associates family and property lawyer. Both spouses must agree to the divorce. This is the most important prerequisite. If either spouse does not agree to the divorce, then the divorce cannot be granted. The spouses must have been married for at least 1 year. This is the minimum period to apply for the divorce. We must show minimum 1 year separation period in the petition document. No need any evidence for this. The spouses must file a joint petition for divorce in the family court. This is the document that you file with the court to start the divorce process. The petition must include certain information, such as your names, addresses, marriage venue, the date of your marriage certificate, separation date, child custody, maintenance, alimony, child visiting rights and property division. The divorce. This is the document that you file with the court to start the divorce process. If the spouses cannot agree on these terms, then they may need to go through a contested divorce. The spouses must file a joint petition for divorce in the family court. The court will issue a decree of divorce after a cooling-off period of 6 months. The time it takes to finalize a mutual consent divorce in Bangalore can vary depending on the workload of the court. However, it typically takes between 1 and 8 months. Here are some of the benefits of getting a mutual consent divorce. 1. It is the quickest and easiest way to get a divorce. 2. It is less expensive than a contested divorce. 3. It is less stressful and emotionally draining than a contested divorce. 4. It allows the spouses to maintain a civil relationship for the sake of their children, if any. Here are some of the things you should keep in mind when getting a mutual consent divorce. 1. Make sure that you and your spouse are truly on the same page about getting a divorce. 2. Be prepared to compromise on some issues, such as child custody, maintenance, alimony, child visiting rights and property division. 3. Be patient and understanding with the court process. Here are some additional details about each step in the process. Consulting with a divorce lawyer, Sairam Law Associates. This is an important step to ensure that you understand the process and your rights. The lawyer can also help you negotiate the terms of your divorce agreement and represent you in court. Signing a mutual consent divorce agreement. This agreement is a legally binding document that outlines the terms of your divorce. It is important to have a lawyer review the agreement before you sign it. Attending the first hearing. As of now, no need to attend the parties in front of the court. First hearing will take care by the lawyer. Cooling off period. After the first hearing, there is a cooling off period of 6 months. During this time, you and your spouse can change your minds about the divorce. Court proceedings. Process will be complete within 3 stages. They are 1. Appearance in front of the court. 2. Mediation. Review and finalization of mutual consent agreement. 3. Final decree. Issuance of decree of divorce. After the cooling off period, the court will issue a decree of divorce. This is the final step in the process and marks the end of your marriage. Certified copy of the order decree. Court will issue the certified order copy within 15 to 20 days from the copy application. The Supreme Court of India has ruled that the cooling-off period can be waived off if the following conditions are met. 1. The spouses have tried to reconcile their differences through counseling or mediation, but have been unsuccessful. 2. The court will consider all of the factors involved in the case before deciding whether to waive the cooling-off period. 3. If the court grants the waiver, the divorce will be granted without the need to wait for the 6-month period to expire. Documents required. 1. Jurisdiction address proof. One of the spouse must be having Bangalore local address proof. Any one of the listed document: Aadhaar, voter card, driving license, bank passbook, gas bill, electricity bill, BSNL phone bill, passport, ration card. 2. Address proof of both spouses. 3. Marriage certificate. This is the original marriage certificate issued by the Registrar of Marriages, if available. Marriage invitation card original. Marriage photographs original. Thanks for watching.